welcome to my channel. My name is Kathy. Today I'm going to show you how I got this hair color. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple, or like a lavendery purple. That's my goal, but we'll see what happens. I'll be using Arctic Fox Purple Rain. I'll be diluting it with conditioner. You can just get any like light colored, like white conditioner. And then I just mixed a few drops of this in with the conditioner until I got a color I liked. And here's the color I got. Hopefully it will be like a lavendery purple, but we'll see. Before I'm going to be doing that, I dyed my roots. Like, it was like a natural like black, dark brown. But I dyed it with this. And I got this really brassy orange color. Okay, I got on my hair dye shirt and we're gonna get started. I don't know if this little pot is enough, so I might add more color. I don't want to like run out and have to mix a whole new color and it not match, and I end up with like two different colors in my hair. Sorry, I just dropped some on my floor and I have carpet, so I'm gonna lay down some paper so that I don't make a bigger mess. Okay, so I have it in my little bowl. I don't think that's enough for all of my hair. And we are off. Okay, so I just squirted more conditioner and more dye. I think I'm gonna start off with my roots because they're very brassy. They're very brassy. I hope this turns out good. So I'm not a professional, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it for fun. And because I'm poor and cheap. And I think it's fun to do things yourself. I think you get more satisfaction of a job well done. But that's just my opinion. I don't know if it will even take to my roots, but my hair is pretty light, so I think it will work on my ends, but we'll see. Okay, I really don't think it's gonna take to the roots, but hopefully the ends will be a nice purple. Always make more than you need because I'm like almost out. So I might end up with like two different colors, who knows? It's already turning a bit purple. Maybe I should make it darker. I don't know. I wish I had someone to consult with, but I don't, so. Like, it's looking purple. Like, there's definitely a difference. should make it darker. I don't know. I might have a couple different purples in my hair. I think my hair's looking okay, bad, but you know, the top part is looking like brown. Okay, I think this is a little bit darker. Let's see what it does. Ah, I got myself. It's supposed to be non-toxic, right? It's turning purple. An even color, I do not know if that will happen, but that's the fun of doing it yourself. Excited. I've never had purple hair. Well, I had like the ends done, like the very like tip, but not my full head. It's looking very purple. Okay, my roots are totally not going to be purple, but it's okay. Okay, I'm just going to finish up the rest of my hair, put it in a baggie, and let it sit for like an hour, and then I'll wash it out, and I'll come back with the results. Okay, before I found the color I liked, I was just like mixing like colors I have of Arctic Fox and with conditioner. So I was mixing like Purple Rain and Cosmic Sunshine because I like have this whole bottle and it was still kind of full and I just wanted to like use it up. And I thought I could just lighten the purple color because I didn't want it too dark. Do not do that. Do not mix these two. You get like an ugly, like mustardy yellow. I mean, if you like that, that's cool, but I didn't like that. And here's a clip of the color I got. It is not cute in my opinion, but if you like it, that's cool. But I didn't like it. Do not mix these two. So I made a whole new batch and just mixed Purple Rain and conditioner, and I got this. I really love Arctic Fox because when you rinse it off, it like rinses off clear. Like I even, here's like a demonstration, like I even squeezed it, my wet hair in my white t-shirt. There was like no residue at all. As you can tell, the roots didn't really take the color. It was kind of too light, which I don't mind. I don't think it's ugly, just my opinion. But if you did have like a brassy blonde color, I would definitely probably just use straight up Purple Rain and not dilute it at all. If you want like a purple, which I did not want, that's not what I wanted. I did my bottom section first, so like this part. So as you can tell, it's like a little more of a mauve-y color, just like the top. I ran out and then I had to make another batch, and then I used more Purple Rain and it made more of a purpley color. But I'm really hoping it'll wash out to be like a little lavender, a little bit lighter. I mean, I don't hate this color, but I feel like it's not me, you know? I mean, I'm glad I tried it so I could say I had purple hair. Okay, so the thing about me is I love messing with my hair, so if you want to see me mess up my hair some more, please subscribe and like, because I'll probably be doing like pink next. Let me know what you think.